Okay, so now I think I figured out how to do the screen recording. Here's the directions if you should need it. Pause your video and you can check it out. So I just did a whole screen recording of making my thoughts around making this video. I just made this video this morning. Pausing. And on my way home from dropping off Morgan at the bus. And what I wanted to show you was that I had done most of it, almost all of it on, pretty near all of it on my phone. So there's two things that I can't seem to do on my phone. One is I haven't figured out a keyword research tool that serves me the way that Keywords Everywhere does to use on my phone. It only works on the desktop, so I could bring the computer with me, which would be a little bit more cumbersome. But anyway, I didn't even know that I could get to my unlisted videos. They're in your library. So this bottom right button down here, go to your library, and then you can go to my videos, and then you can see all of the videos, whether they're public or not. And if you click on here, these little three dots on the right of each video, you can actually edit. So I had uploaded with a title that's sort of like the general gist of what I want, but I'm going to do some more keyword research for that and the tags. And then I was able to sit here and type in some thoughts around it and add some links that I had talked about in the video. I'll change the privacy to public once I have the thumbnail in place, and also which I can't seem to upload a custom thumbnail from here, but if you know how to do that, let me know. And once I've decided what tags I want in it and have updated the title to match those. So I'm going to save it here, and I'm going to show you that I was also able to make the thumbnail in Canva itself. So there's a Canva app. I was able to create this video in here. You can see on my camera roll down here that my face was actually on the other side, so it was blocked by this. I have the words that I want in my thumbnail on the left, because YouTube has a little it posts the time of each video in the bottom right corner and kind of blocks any wording that you might put down there. So I have moved those to the left of the thumbnail and putting my face on the right of the thumbnail, or whatever the picture is for the video. And I had to flip it because my picture was this way. See how my face was on the left. So there was a way when I was making this to flip it. I'm not going to do a Canva tutorial here, but there was a way to flip it, so that I just had to flip it over. And then I have this as a template, so all I do is update here. I update the title. So this is standard, the doing business as yourself. I changed the color of this background thingy, so I was able to pick blue, or I could have picked yellow, or I could have picked whatever. And then and you can also go into a rainbow thing and pick whatever color you want. You see, it's very malleable. And then I update the title, and I'm gonna get it back to where it was, because I haven't finished it all the way. You get it back to the title, and anyway, so you can update this stuff. You can kind of make yourself a template, and I'm having mine all be similar. I don't know if that's going to be a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm just changing the color and having a familiar format across all of my thumbnails. So I was able to make the thumbnail, but I wasn't able to add it to the video yet. However, what I did do was go into Facebook and make an update that it's coming, which seems to, the last time I did that, have had a decent effect of people interacting on it. So here, I did this one 40 minutes ago. Nobody on my wall has said anything. This is my timeline. There's one down here that I did the other day, which has 20 comments. So it's working on this video. Maybe I got too complicated in the wording above, because I put a bit more on this one, a little bit too much thinking maybe. So something more fun would probably be smart. But anyway, we're just trying this stuff and seeing what works and what doesn't. This one ended up with 20 comments. Some of them are me replying to people with the actual video link once it was ready. And then, but what I did do is I did share this to a group. Let's see if it lets me go there. Oh, if it lets me go. So I shared it to a group that I run called Projectors in Business that has some likes and 2 yes, I would like to watch it when it's ready. So I'm just showing you that there's different ways, even though I couldn't post it live to YouTube yet the way that I want it, there's other ways to begin leveraging the work that you've done in progress and letting people see, become part of the story of it unfolding, and in anticipation of the video. And if they, once, the more times you can get people to nod yes, so 7 nods, and you can make a transaction or get an action or whatever, is sort of like a rule of thumb. I don't know if it's it's not hard and fast rule, but the more people are engaged even before the thing is ready, the more likely you are to have easeful conversions, let's put it that way. So in this case, the conversion will be somebody watches the thing and ideally makes a comment of some kind, engagement. As I, sorry about this truck coming by. As I get more and more tight on what goes into my description in my videos, I will also have calls to action within the description in the video. So if they're interesting to read the description, then they might also go through the links on the video itself. So this is all about providing value, and then also giving people ways to raise their hand and doorways through to more of you, more of the topic, more of the conversation, more of. Okay, that's my thoughts. Let's see if this screen capture thingy, this is the first time I'm making a screen capture video on my phone, and this will also go up onto YouTube because it's something I've learned just now. Okay, have a great day. Bye.